In this video, I'm going to show you how to add auto captions from CapCut application. First is to have it downloaded on your phone. It can be on an Android or on your App Store. And then click Edit on the bottom left and tap on New Project. Now here you have to select the videos that you want to use or to edit. Then once you have selected a video, maybe this one because I made a voiceover with this video already, click add, and then in here you can edit this video. Now right here, tap on the text button. Down below you have options in there, and then tap on this icon, auto captions. Now you can choose the sounds here, select the language of that video. So for mine it's English, in English, and just tap on start for it to start processing, creating your auto captions. Just a reminder, if this is processing, don't leave this app or don't close this app and wait for it to finish. So like this one, as you can see, there are captions already added to your video and it's all complete. Whatever words you have said in there, they will just automatically place it in there. So once you're done, just tap on the arrow button and export it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.